Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we'll be talking about how to fix one of the most annoying malware or virus on a PC, which is actually the shortcut virus or malware. Let me open my infected drive, my flash drive. I use it for booting my Windows. As you can see, everything here is Phoenix Light sources. That's all, everything I can see here. Then this is how to know if you are facing a shortcut virus. It usually turns everything you have to a shortcut, and then when you highlight on it, the location is usually CMD, your drive name, Windows, and System32. So this shortcut or malware, this shortcut virus or malware is actually harmless, just that you accidentally empower it and make it harmful. As it is now, it can't do any harm to your PC or your drive, but once you start opening the shortcut, the more you open it, the more it spreads across your USB ports, which means if you connect any USB drive, be it a flash drive or an external drive, it can be your external SSD or your external HDD. Once you connect any external drive after opening this shortcut, because it stays on your USB ports, it infects the newly connected drive. But after infecting the newly connected drive, you don't need to open it up in the new drive. If you still open it up, it will expand more and infect other connected drives. It doesn't harm anything, just the drives connected to your PC. So here's how to fix it. You don't need any software to fix it. So just go to options, change folder. It might be a little bit different for Windows 7 and probably 8, but it's still the same thing. All you need to do is be able to find this view, go to options, click on view again, show hidden files, so that you'll be able to see some hidden files. Then you scroll down a little bit, then this hide protected operating system files recommended, just uncheck it. It will give you a warning and all that. Click on yes, click on apply. Okay, now everything displays like this. Your concern is this drive looking something like this. It has to look a little bit like the shortcut itself. So just click at the top, then you see everything in your drive. Delete this desktop stuff, it's useless. Then copy out everything you need to an entirely different drive, maybe your PC, onto your desktop or to a new drive or anything. Once you're able to copy it out, then you can delete these things. Once you delete them, you don't have any problem again. As long as you've copied your files to a new place, then either you manually delete or you just format the drive. I would choose to format, but that's after you've backed up your files. Then you can format and have your PC safe from the notorious malware or shortcut virus, depending on what you choose to call it. So see you in if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The more you like and subscribe, the more YouTube shows it to other people to view. Thank you.